It's time to talk about tax on tips. Did you hear that tips are now tax-free? Well, that's sort of correct. So here's the real deal behind that new no tax on tips law. Starting with your 2025 taxes, you can now deduct up to $25,000 of your qualified cash or credit card tips, but this is a tax deduction. You're going to recoup those taxes when you go to file your tax return in 2026 for the 2025 tax year. What does this mean? That could mean a fatter refund check. That could mean a lot less tax liability that you're not used to. Now, not everyone qualifies. Some occupations that otherwise do not generally generate tips are not going to qualify for this provision. The IRS is going to release a publication or a press release sometime in the October timeframe for a little bit more information on what qualifies as an occupation and what doesn't. Some other things to keep in mind, things like service charges that are automatically added to a check. Those do not qualify from this no tax on tips law. Now, just like the new overtime rules, there is an income limitation. If you're single, this no tax on tips is going to phase out starting at $150,000 of your modified adjusted gross income. And likewise, if you're married filing joint, $300,000. So keep this in mind. You might not actually see changes in your day-to-day, week-to-week in every paycheck throughout the course of 2025. However, when it comes to filing your tax return, that's where you're going to actually see the impact of this no tax on tips law. Also keep in mind that this law only extends to the tax year 2028. So 4 years from 2025 to 2028. Now, I'd love to hear from you. So drop a comment in the comments, tag a friend who will need to hear this information.